Sorry, you okay?
Yeah, when your photo is mine.
Oh, we got it. It started. Welcome everybody, welcome back to Z&M Off-Road. My name is Zach, Matt is currently not with me. So on today's video, we are installing some skid plates on Matt's Jeep OTIS. We are changing tires on his wife Alethia's Jeep Sanity. We're putting some new 35s on it, and we are also finishing up wiring up the rear winch on NEMESIS. We've already done everything today. Unfortunately, we forgot to do an opening video and a closing video, which you'll see. It's always just a fun day when Matt and I are together. We just want to get to doing the work and enjoying our time with each other. So, here's what happened today.
We are just that uncouth. Got it.
So is that one going back in, or is it coming out completely?
It's coming out completely because we got a new bolt.
Okay. Grab a screwdriver. Tiny little finger hole.
Yeah, and we're right here by the grate too, so that's gonna suck.
I didn't think about that earlier when I parked NEMESIS over there.
No, it's all good. I just thought about it.
Ready?
Yeah. It's in there. I think Joe even got a Pookie or something last night. We were making fun of him.
Yeah.
I don't know what it was. This will work. This will just be fine. It's there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Tighten up the rest of them and we're good to go.
Alright, we got the rear lower control arm mounts on both sides. You replace main bolt holding in the lower control arm. Got that in. There's a bracket that comes in here. Actually, we need to fix that. Well, maybe not. That might be fine. Holds that in place. The little one that goes on top. Same thing on the other side. Very, very simple. So now, going to the front.
Come right out.
Perfect.
Just tap her back that way. It should come up on there.
Towards you?
Yeah, hit it toward me.
That might be close.
Okay. You lined up.
Mm-hmm.
Head blow for the win.
Ha! Ah!
It's on there. One down.
I think so.
Yeah, this front ones have never been off there, probably.
Yeah. I don't think there's a chance that we're going to get the impact on this one either.
Might be able to get it on from this side.
I think we always had issues with the sockets on that thing.
Here's the big ratchet.
Should be all right with the ratchet. It's putting that one on.
Yeah.
If I remember right, it just takes us forever. Long-winded. Yep. And yep.
Back here, so I'll pull one of them for you.
Okay. All right, ready?
Yep.
Got it?
Yep.
Just in case.
We'll tap it for you right there. Yeah, buddy. You win, you dirty son of a gun.
Oh, damn it.
It did not beat us.
We should be able to pull you through just fine.
Yep.
Boom.
Done.
Alright, guys, fought with it for a little bit, but we got lower control arm, mount brackets, skid plate, whatever you want to call them, on. This one gave us some fits, just from where we've taken them off-road and smacked the mounts off the ground, so we had to open this one up just a smidge in order to slide the bolt through, but we figured it out. No big deal. You just take the original bolt out of your control arm, pop that down, slide this in. There's some spacers that go in between here on each side. Keeps it in place, and then it's a really long-winded bolt, but we got her. All right. Now we got OTIS all taken care of. We are going to put some new tires on Lethe's Jeep. It's exciting.
It is. She's going to be happy.
new Mickey Thompson AT 35s. Looks pretty good. Very nice. Alright, so we got the tires done on that Jeep. Now Matt and I are going to finish up hooking up the rear winch to the front battery. Right now we got the front battery all hooked up to the cables. Now we're running all the wire to the back box and go from there.
Rails is gonna have to be. It's gonna have to damage them before it damages your wire.
Yeah. So, we forgot to do a closing video today, Matt and I. The wife showed up, and they were all hungry, so they wanted to go get something to eat, so we went and got a bite to eat together as a little family, and forgot to do a closing video, because we just had such a good time together. It's no big deal. So, just want to show you guys, we got all the wires officially hooked up to this battery, all the way up to the front battery. Everything works back here. Thank goodness. I still want to do some cleaning up of the wires. Obviously, it's a bit of a rat's nest right now, but we'll get the kill switch mounted to this box over here, and we'll get all the wires and whatnot zip tied up and cleaned up, a little bit cleaner look. I might end up switching the rear battery box out for a different one. I like how that one is, and it works the way I was hoping it would, so hopefully it works out that way. But I still might end up getting a metal box, maybe. I don't know. It's not as tight and clean as I wanted it. So eventually we may change that out. I don't know. We'll see. But for now, it works. In the next video, we'll hook NEMESIS up to OTIS, and we'll do a couple pulls on it. That way you guys can see it work in action. We'll get up underneath. That way you can see it working and whatnot. I think it's really cool, and we hope you guys thought it was really cool. It was a lot of fun figuring this stuff out. Never done anything like that before, so hopefully it works. Keep your fingers crossed for us that it doesn't fall out or blow up or something along those lines. Although that would be good for views, though. Nah, we'll be fine. So if you liked today's video, be sure to like, be sure to comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't yet, you should. It's a lot of fun here. We're doing some cool things. We have a lot of cool things lined up this year. Matt and I are doing a few new things we haven't done before, so hopefully some more crazy wheeling videos will come up after this. Today was a great day. We got the armor on OTIS match Jeep. The control arms gave us a little bit of a fit, but it was still a good time. We got new tires on Lethea's Jeep. Those look great. They're riding great. Hopefully she's happy with them. And we got everything wired up on this thing. We'll do a little bit of cleaning up and have that for you on the next video on how it works. So again, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. We're really hoping to get to about 500 subscribers by August. We've been doing this since last August, so for our 1 year on YouTube, we would love to have 500 subscribers, and by the end of the year, it'd be awesome to have 1,000. So if you could help us out, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, that way you're notified on everything Matt and I are doing, because like I said, we're doing a lot of cool things, and we're hoping you all are enjoying it. So from myself, from Matt, keep your tires on the trail, pick up all your trash, and we'll see you next time.